In case you install CodeBlocks and CodeBlocks cannot find the debugger, you can manually set up CodeBlocks so that it knows where to find GDB. So this video will show you how to do that. First of all, start up CodeBlocks, and in this case I have CodeBlocks installed as a zip file or unzipped into a particular folder. So I'm going to find it first, and that is inside the downloads folder, and within there we have CodeBlocks main GW no setup. Double click it, and first of all we start up CodeBlocks from inside the folder. It's taking quite a bit of time because I'm running inside a virtual machine and my computer is not particularly powerful. It's not really designed for a lot of desktop applications. There we go. Okay, so once you start it up, you go to settings and then go to debugger, and in the dialog box inside debugger you go to default, and if your executable path is empty or if it is red, that means we have a problem of finding GDB the executable. So in that case, click on the ... and then the first thing you need to do is to so this one already goes to the bin folder, and if yours is not going to the bin folder directly, I'll show you how to navigate to it. So go all the way to the folder where the zip file is unzipped, and then double click on min GW, and then from there you double click on bin, and then from bin you look for the file called GDB right there. Double click it, and now the executable is chosen. You should probably want to keep all the defaults, so you might want to compare your configuration with the configuration here, and then you click OK, and that should do it. Now, just to be sure that this is actually working, we're going to start a new project because I didn't save the previous one. So we start a new project, make it a console application, and just take the default. I just personally prefer to have a C program, not a C++. Click next, give it a file name or project name, test. Click next again, and we're going to overwrite. That's fine, and take all the defaults and then click finish, and we are going to overwrite it. Yep, there we go. Yes. All right, so now we go to sources, double click on main, and put a breakpoint on line 7 like that, and then click on the red run button or the debug/continue button, and we want to click no to we don't want to save the new perspective, so click no. And we can see that it is working now because the GDB prompt is active. I can type help, and GDB gives us, gives me the help menu, as if you were to type help inside GDB or the command line version of GDB. You can also see that it's running correctly because there is a yellow triangle pointing to the line where the breakpoint is currently at. So this is all working. So hopefully this video will help you reset the GDB path inside CodeBlocks.